people, hosting the world Ultimates Clash. Alright now, for tonight now we have a wicked segment going on, see? 3 categories in our music list. We have reggae, hip hop, dancehall, see? And tune for tune. But the first one up on the list is reggae, see? So, first up, first selector up, see? We have Thickestthigh panelist, see? And second DJ up, see? We have Punky Curves. Alright, so just look out and see which one I toughest, see? Alright, just go and like and subscribe, see me I say? And figure out which one of them DJ artists. Alright, first up a reggae. See me I say, but here me I say now we have some rules in this, you know. The rules are, if you waste too much time, you're out of time, you're out of game. And if you play back a tune 2 times, you're out. Alright, now first up, we have Punky Curves. Here we should have a go on. Here we should have a go on now. I wanna can meds pan here, so you know. Go and burn a weed and drink rum, see me, you see? Alright. Next one. Yeah man. Each select out 3 songs to play, I don't know. 3 hot reggae. Yeah man, I'm a real Jamaican, you know, road song from day one. Boy, if I not burn no weed on this song, yeah, something wrong.
Let's not for that one because not for them get an ambition.
Alright. You hear this one, yeah? Yeah man, this is because of vibes, you know?
Let's know with that.
Will. Alright, I don't know that was Punky Curves, you see me? Within 4 section already, 3 bad selection of song. So now we have Thickestthigh up with 4 selection, like 3 bodies, reggae song share. So let's look up. wicked.
Now listen to them, you see me? Blessings. Now listen to them.
Wicked, wicked. Don't know, says a reggae vibes, a reggae session. Wicked one, hear this one. If them man a road song set wrong, man, I don't know. Original reggae. Next song I want you make a praise Selassie, you don't know. Wicked, wicked. The next one, Wheel Selector. Chubbo Buckland. Hear the one there? The one that make you want jump on your feet, I don't know. Only real Rasta man them know them song. You see me I say? If you're a ballhead, can't listen to them song. It's me again. Big up selector, this is one a hot man. I don't know, a whole crowd a blaze up for this song. Wicked night dance.
Right, this sir.
Right, this song. Alright, yo, Wheel. Alright. This is a section. Alright, people. Yeah, man, that was the first round. It's wicked. Right, that's a wicked section. I don't know with the reggae. I don't know if you want that Owen. But just vote and remember to like and subscribe. Alright, next session we have hip hop. I want to say a O, a hip, or a O, a up. Alright, now first up, we have Punky Curves. See, now hip hop session. And then I don't know next a Thickestthigh, so just look out. And say a O at the top 10. Yeah man, this song I make a dash all of the money out of your pocket in the club. So obviously the hip hop song I don't know. Night club and I see the girl them but you clap man, money off it done man. Yeah man, wicked song for your first round for hip hop. Next one. Yeah, that. One thing with this song, I pay money song them, I don't know. Pay money or rain for the girl them. You hear that? Alright, another one.
Let's switch it up, you know, guys. Guess what?
Alright, another one I know, selector. Alright, selector. Wicked, wicked hip hop session. And so this is a Z song. Alright, we a selector, Don't know that was a wicked one. I don't know from Curvy Diva. Wicked. Alright, people. Remember to like and subscribe. See, Punky Curves, alright. We have Thickestthigh and all. See, people, Thickestthigh, just give me a like and subscribe. Remember, just tell me which one I top out of the two bodies. Alright, hip hop now. Alright. Look like a wicked original artist from long time. Don't know what's the 50 with the scent. Don't know say if you're selected now play the song for your first tune. You're coming at the club. I don't know say it's not a selector in the club. Wicked. Wicked selecting. Many men. Yeah, man. In a club, I don't know, say I'll all pass through security with them gap, man. I'll show the gap, see me when they hear this song, man. First tune, I body's true. Wicked. Alright. Alright. Wicked one selector. Want another one see me, so just keep looking. Alright. Whoa! This is one of them called the pop and the smoke. Yeah, man, them are top player, them just come in our club, man. We just loan dripping ice. Ready for dash away $1 bills them for all of the baddest bitches in the club. I don't know. Wicked song selector. Wicked.
Alright, I don't know. Let's go with this.
Another one. Wicked selector, man. Everybody in our club richer now. When I listen to this song. Oh gosh, man. I don't know, saying off a back up on the table, I need to get out of here. If I not support the bar, get out of here. If I listen to this song, I don't know. And so now I'm playing at the club, make sure see bottles and bitches and money be raining. Wicked one selector. Don't know, so remember to like and subscribe. See that, people?
That one you bad, that one you bad.
Alright, wrap it up. We again with the dancehall session. Wicked session. I want the boy, I want the way hot. I swear in a club. Sweaty and partying and throwing all this money and bricks and alright, for the next session I know it's a dancehall session. I don't know say this is a real history about Jamaica. I don't know. So you see me I say if you don't go a party and dancehall in it, it's not a party. Alright, so here we go now. We have Punky Curves coming up and then we're gonna have Thickestthigh. Remember to like and subscribe. See me I say, people? Alright, here we go on now. Look out. Boy, me I hear say this a song a trending pan the whole globe. Trending. You hear that? You hear that? Wicked trending song. It's listening, tune in. Another one. The man of the song I don't know say man them a press hard on the highway with the girl them a. The man a big star song them I don't know.
Look for my wrist. Then, I drop that one and left it with that one here.
Wicked, oh, I don't know so the sound of name Great Massacre. Yeah, man, and our biggest trending song, I don't know. But the thugs them know. Wicked one selector, wicked one. Wheel. Wicked one selector. Cold, curvy, funky curves. I don't know. Alright, I don't know. Do we all a bun beer weed and a drink beer? White rum and come bar. I don't know. We have Hennessy and Ciroc. I don't know.
I need to come throw some money on the table.
No champagne. Alright, so here we are going. We have Thickestthigh. Here we are listening on to it. Here is someone now. Real bad man cartel. If you don't know about the 90s badness and I know about. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, anytime I don't know, so I see bad man them a pass through, man. I have to make weird in a party. You see me I say? You man take on a man shoes right now, all of your belly drop. Real original cartel, yeah. Wicked, wicked again. Look like we have another wicked one from cartel. Wicked splash are going on now. What on there?
Right, let's go.
What on there? Our ticket styles are going with it now. Our ticket styles are going with the party now. We look like a sting again. We see on a Crips and Bloods war them here. Bumbo clot.
Yeah, let's go with this.
Yeah man, them are a cartel. It's our last one for dancehall session. Here this one now. You see that there? One bag of thing are going in a party here. And that's the last one for the dancer. Wicked, wicked.
Yeah.